Hey, what's up, AI warriors? It's Pacey AI here, back with another explosive reveal. Today, we're diving into a game changing AI tool that's about to revolutionize how you tackle email overload. As of August 4th, 2025, I'm hyped to introduce Superhuman, an AI powered email wizard that's not just smart, it's a superpower in your inbox. Want to slash response times, automate tedious cleanup, and turn your inbox into a productivity powerhouse? Smash that like button, hit subscribe to Pacey AI, and toggle those notifications on. We're about to level up your email game. So, Superhuman isn't just an email app, it's an AI sidekick that anticipates your moves, cuts through clutter, and turns your messages into actionable tasks. Imagine having a personal assistant that drafts replies in seconds, predicts what you're about to type, like, let's schedule a call, want me to propose 3 time slots, and auto tags reminds or follow ups. Plus, it's integrated with Trello and Notion, so your emails become tasks or project updates in one click. This isn't email management, it's email optimization on steroids. Here's the magic. Installation takes 2 minutes and the setup is razor sharp. Want to nuke spam or autofile bills? Just say, teach me to batch delete this and handle it. Or type, brainstorm a proposal draft and watch Superhuman crank out a polished template. The AI even learns your voice commands over time. Pro tip, use it with Zoom AI for meeting summaries or Grammarly Premium to make every reply gold standard. This tool isn't just plug and play, it's adaptive, evolving with your workflow. Teams love Superhuman for its collaborative edge. Share drafts with coworkers, assign tasks directly from emails, and track who's done what with real-time status updates. But don't sweat security. Superhuman encrypts your data and works across devices without hiccups. It's ideal for entrepreneurs drowning in client emails, developers fielding tickets, or creatives balancing pitches and projects. The result? Less time scrolling, more time actually creating. Want to try Superhuman and unlock your email superpowers? Smash the like button, drop a comment below telling me inbox defense activated, and share this with anyone trapped in email hell. Subscribe to Pacey AI for fresh daily AI tool drops, and seriously, hit that notification bell. I'm Pacey AI, and until the next AI revolution, keep hacking smarter, faster, and with Superhuman by your side. See ya in the next video.